Hello children, now these are the 10 numbers that you learned earlier. Now we see the first number is here. What is this number? 7. 7. Here this number 2. This number 2. What is this number? This is number 9. And here the number 4. 4. Here number 10. This is number 10. Okay. Now here this number is number 6. 6. Number 6. Okay. Now this is number 1. 1. 1. Here this number 8. Number 8. Here this number, this is number 3. Here 3. And here this number is number 5. 5. Okay. Now 7, 2, 9, 4, 10, 6, 1, 8, 3, 5. Okay. Now what we are going to do now? We are going to put them in order 1 to 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Where's number 1? Is this number 1? No. 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 This is number 1? No. This is 6. Is this number 1? Yes. So, we'll take this out from here. And we'll bring this down here. And 1, we'll put it in front. The first number is number 1. Here, number 1. Okay. Now, the next number, after 1, the number 2. Is this number 2? Yes, this is number 2. After 1, number 2. Then after 2, what is the next number after 2? 1, 2, 3. Then this is number 9. This is wrong. We are taking this out. We must bring number 3 here. Where's number 3? Is this number 3? No. This is 4. Is this number 3? No. This is 10. Is this number 3? No. This is 6. Is this number 3? No. This is 7. Is this number 3? No. This is 8. Is this number 3? Yes. This is number 3. So, after 2, this is here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. After 3, what is the number? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this number 4? Yes, this is number 4. Here, 4. So, we don't have to find number 4. It's there. Right? Now, after 4, what is the next number after number 4? Number 5. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5. Number 5. Is this number 5? No, this is not number 5. We are taking this out. This is number 10. We have to find number 5. Okay, where's number 5? Where's number 5? Is this number 5? Is this number 5? Yes, this is number 5. We take this number 5 from here and put this number 5 here. Okay, this is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5. After number 5, then here 6. Number 6. After number 5, what's the number? 6. Is this correct? Yes, this is 6. So we don't have to find the number 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. After number 6, number 7. After number 6, the number is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is this number 7? Yes, this is number 7. This is correct. We don't have to find the number 7 again because it's here. We have to find after the number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The next number after 7 is 8. What is the number? 8. Is this number 8? Yes, this is number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 8, what is the number after 8? After number 8, number 9. Is this number 9? No, this is 10. We have to take this out and here number 9. Here number 9. This is number 9. So, we'll count again from the beginning. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now up to 9, all the numbers are here. The last number after 9 is 10. What is the number? 10. Here the number 10. Okay. Number 10. After number 9, number 10. Now you learn all the numbers from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the numbers are in order from 1 to 10. Okay. Thank you for listening, children. Hope you enjoy the number lesson. Thank you very much.